quick, really quick. This is naturally. He's the one who sing the song down in Jamaica with me, but he came late. He's on Jamaican time, and he missed the show. So, I want you to sing a piece of people.
People, are you ready? Run it! Down in Jamaica, they got lots of pretty girls, sweet like honey, and they break your heart, darling. Won't I stop into? I start to realize, take all my money and see where it lands. On and on, I just keep on trying. When I smile and I feel like crying, on and on, on and on, on and
This got good fast. This got crazy.
Brooklyn, if you're having a good time, make some noise. I don't want you guys to I want to see all the energy you have. You're going to need a lot more because we have so much show tonight. It is unbelievable.